Heterotrophs and autotrophs.
Trees are autotrophs, and they use chemosynthesis and photosynthesis, aka sunlight, to make food. Heterotrophs gain their energy by eating other plants and animals. Grass is an example of an autotroph. If there were a cow here, it would eat the grass, and then it would be called a heterotroph. This autotroph is getting energy from the sun, and it's making itself food so it can grow. This jalapeno plant is not getting energy from the sun, so that's why it's dead.
Duke right here is a primary example of a heterotroph. He eats other like plants and stuff and dog food because he can't convert sunlight into energy. Animals like Duke rely on both plants and animals for the nutrition needed. Heterotrophs include herbivores, omnivores, and carnivores. Examples of autotrophs are trees, bushes, flowers, anything that's a plant pretty much, and only a plant can be an autotroph, and that's it.
Some examples of heterotrophs are an elephant, crab, wiener dog, fish, duck, frog, eagle, cat, goat, turtle.
Carnivores eat mostly meat or the flesh of other animals. They're also known as predators, and they receive the least energy. Here is another example of a heterotroph. Okay, so in the food pyramid, the very bottom starts with producers. Producers are organisms that convert sunlight into energy, also known as autotrophs. On top of that, we have primary consumers. These are organisms that eat producers, aka plants, and that's it. So omnivores. They get the most energy out of the triangle, the food pyramid. Okay, so then on top of that, we have secondary consumers. Secondary consumers are animals that eat plants. And yeah, and then on top of that, there's tertiary consumers. These are organisms that eat the animals that ate the plants. And then on top of that, there is quaternary consumers, also known as animals that are like primary predators and they don't have any enemies. These are our sources that we used for the video. Thank you.